Hi, welcome back to SkillLift's BIM Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to create roofs in Revit. Let's get started.
To draw roof, go to Plan View. In Architecture tab, click on Roof. Under Roof, we have Roof by Footprint and Roof by Extrusion. First, we'll see how to draw roof by using footprint. So, click on Footprint. Similar to the floors, we have these options here to draw or trace the roof. We can use them, or we can just use the pick lines or pick walls. Okay, so I'm using pick walls and I'm selecting the walls and giving the finish. So in 3D view, if I see, it has been placed on the plinth level, right? But I want it on my slab level. So what I'll do, I'll click on it. I'll go to properties. In constraint base level, I want it to be slab. So it gets shifted to my slab level. The thing is, there are slopes. If we are okay with slopes, we can keep the slopes. If we don't want the slopes, what I can do is I have to select it. I have to go to edit footprint. Here I have to select all the lines where there is this triangle like structure that represents the slope. So what I'll do is I'll select all the lines and I'll remove define slope here. If I want slope, it should be on. If I don't want slope, I have to remove it. Okay, so I'll click finish and this is it. Again, similarly, if we want to give any material and all, we can do it by going to edit type and modifying here. Next is let's see how to draw roof by extrusion. Let me just change its properties first. I want it to be from plinth level to slab level, right? To draw roof by extrusion, I have to do it in my elevation view. Let me just go to an elevation view, say south. Okay, I'm selecting roof by extrusion. It asks me to pick the plane. So what I'll do, I'll just pick the plane slab. So this gets activated. You can see that there is a green line on my slab level, right? Now what I'll do, I'll draw how I want my roof to be. I want it to be in this manner, right? I'll give finish and it gets created. If I want to change anything, I have to go to it, click on edit profile. If I have to change any shape or anything, let me just go to here, select this. This is some irregular shape that I am giving just for demonstration. Let me just finish this. Edit profile. Want to move it here, right? Okay. Finish. If I see it in 3D, this is how my roof looks. See, from front I can see that this is how my roof is, and this is purely for demonstration how to use roof extrusion. Now what happened is, here the wall is not attached to the roof, and here it is going beyond the roof. To make them even, what I should do, I have to select all the 4 walls, select these walls, click on attach top or base, and click on the roof. Right, so now I can see that the walls have been smoothly trimmed according to my roof. Okay, and in here if I select this and hide it, just for time being I'll hide this element, I can see that these walls are not attached to my slab. So what I'll do, I'll select, click on select instances, visible in view. Okay, let me just first delete this. Select this, go to all instances, visible in view, attach, and click on the slab. So these automatically gets attached to the roof or the slab. And to bring back the wall that I hid here, what I should do, I have to go to reveal hidden. Here I can see that it is showing in a dark purple or dark red color line, right? I have to click it, unhide element, and go back to my normal view. See, this was about the roof. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description. Also, there is a quick quiz on this video's topic. Link is given in the description. Try it out. See you in the next video.